How would you like to create a beautiful and powerful Wix website such as this one right here in within 1 hour with absolutely zero coding required? In this course guys, we're gonna go ahead and do just this step by step with no steps skipped. So what exactly can you expect to cover in this course? Well, first we'll take a look at how to create a free Wix account and how to use these Wix templates right here to begin customizing our website. We will then take a look at the different tools involved in customizing our website, as we can see right here. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in stuff like our navigation menu, how to customize our text, our background picture, how to put in a contact form, so on and so forth. Once we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at how we can put up a nice blog for our Wix website, and we can see that it's a very nice and clean presented blog. So that's pretty cool. Once we have that done, this is what our blog page will look like, and we can see once again guys that it's very beautiful. So once we have our blog page is good to go, we will take a look at how to add cool functionalities such as a sign up and login page, and we will even take a look at how we can go ahead and connect a custom domain name such as this one right here, and how to go ahead and further increase our SEO score for our Wix website. So if that's something that interests you guys, then go ahead and enroll to the course, and I look forward to seeing you there.